this massive lift here. Hydraulics. Look at this thing, man. This is a professional.
Already excited?
Yeah. All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Fly and Ride here. I've got a great short video for you today. In this video, I'm going to show you my latest DIY upgrade that I'm doing to my 2020 Streetlight CVO called Sandstorm that you see right there. If you're new to the channel, I'm Fly and Ride, and on this channel I focus on motovlogs, ride videos, ride reviews, all on my 2020 Streetlight CVO, on my 2024 Ducati Pikes Peak, and on my 2022 BMW R1250 GS. I feature cinematic drone footage, destination rides, group rides, product upgrades like we're about to do here, all here on the channel. So do me a favor, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content like this one. So I'm not going to show you here just yet. We're going to go for a nice twisty road on the way to Senior's house. And he's got a lift in his house. We're going to put the bike up on the lift, and we're going to do this really cool upgrade. It's one of the last few things that I wanted to do to the bike, and we're going to show you how to do it. We'll show you videos afterwards, and then I'm going to show you the 360 view so you can see what it looks like as we're riding it, because I think this upgrade is really cool. So let's roll. Gotta love that nice cold start with my Chromeworks 2x2 full Eclipse system. Loving my T-bar setup. Got a few videos, I'll leave it up here if you want to check that out. Man, I love these bars. They've taken some getting used to, but once you do, the handling is phenomenal. Alright, so look, I'm going to enjoy my ride to Senior's house. I'll catch you over there and show you this awesome upgrade we're about to do. Let's go there now. Once again, Senior's garage. Check us out. He is upping up his game. Look at this. Look at this massive lift here. Hydraulics. Look at this thing, man. This is a professional. Alright, so this is what I was talking about. We're gonna change this out. We're gonna put this nice clear Trask cover here, and then this is called the pressure plate. Is that what it is?
I guess it's a pressure. Does it say? Yeah, it's like a pressure plate.
Okay, we think it's a pressure plate. If you know more than we do, leave it down in the comments below. Now, the interesting thing about this is we thought that we were going to have to remove this entire cover here. However, we realized that all we got to do is remove these bolts out, put the new plate in, and then we're going to change the oil while we're here, and then we'll put the clear cover on it. Really easy install. I think anybody could do this at home if I can do it. Well, he's doing it. I'm not doing it.
Yeah, but no, it is real easy.
All right, so let me show you here. Senior, as always, is demonstrating how it's done. And then the commitment is I've got to do this work on my own.
What?
after I learn from him. That's it. Everything you've taught me, I've done on my own. I did my oil change.
You have to. It's part of the Harley thing. It's like these engines are easy to work on. Now with the new electronics, I think
it's gonna
take that away from us. Because
well, this is why both Senior and I have not upgraded to the new Harleys. There you have it right there, because it takes some of the fun of you messing around with your own bikes. All right, springs are out, and the kit comes with new springs. So it shouldn't make the clutch that much harder, but it helps it with engagement, I'm assuming, right? Is that?
Sure, there's a reason for
yeah.
this.
Again, for the experts, leave it down in the comments below.
We like it because it looks good.
Yeah, this is all about the look and seeing it through. It's part of the experience. All right, so the plate is already in there. So one of the things that you're gonna have to do, and I wasn't able to show it to you because I was helping Senior here, is when you change these springs out and you put this piece in here, you have to apply pressure in here because the bolts don't reach the back end there. So we used basically a rubber mallet here. We applied some pressure. It's a two-man job really. Senior used the drill and screwed that first one in, then we did the second one, and then we did the third. So that's the way it looks now. And then Senior is checking all of the specs. Look at that. He's got the manual.
This is the Bible.
That's the Bible right there.
If you're gonna work on your bikes,
you got to make sure you have it.
This has everything.
It has everything. So he's gonna look at the torque specs now to make sure that we tighten this to the right specifications. We'll add the oil. We'll put that awesome plate in there, and then we're gonna start it up and give you a nice view. Nice, easy install so far.
If you want to pull it here, you
all right, so let me show you here. The manual calls 70 to 100 inch-pounds of torque here, and we just did it here. We put it at 80, and I tested it, and the clutch feels fantastic. So now we're gonna put the cover on, and we're gonna turn it on and take it for a spin. Actually, we gotta put the oil after that.
Yeah.
Well, we gotta put the oil first.
When was the last time you changed it?
Here, with you.
Yeah, but it's got to be every 5,000 miles.
No, I have a lot less than 5,000 miles on it. Nice new fresh oil. It's still not there, right?
Nope.
Yeah, remember, he's
got to be there to that
wrapped
line.
right to that line, yeah.
Yeah, you see it hit the
hit the line.
Plate, yeah, the plate.
There you go. Once it hits that plate, we're good.
That's it. Yeah.
All right, so we put the oil in. It's at that plate there. That's your sign that it's filled up to the right level. So that's the first gasket, and Senior put some...
yeah, it's always good when you're putting gaskets to put a little oil on.
Little oil on them. So that's the first one that goes on there. It's a two-piece cover.
Nobody's gonna see these anymore.
That looks good already.
Already excited?
Yeah. All right, so you see that arrow there? That arrow needs to be up here. So we're minor adjustment. We were just making sure that you were paying attention, that's all. There we go. Well, that makes sense. Arrow pointing up needs to go up. Okay, it's pretty logical. All right, we're gonna screw these bolts in here, and then I'll show you the other piece going in.
Second gasket.
All right, here's the second gasket going in. Lubed it a little bit, nice and snug in there. You gotta take the back seal, I'm assuming.
Take your hands off.
Yeah. All right, so we put the glass in there. It goes, and now the cover goes right over it. Man, that looks good.
Yeah, you're ready. That red is gonna...
Yeah, that red pops nice with that black now. Oh yeah.
15 more horsepower.
That's right, at least 50 more horsepower. Well, better clutch engagement, arguably.
Yeah.
All right, look at this. This is in already. We're gonna give it a nice start so you can check this out. Oh yeah. That looks awesome. How nice that looks. Get this up here. That looks really, really good. Special thanks to Mr. Senior for always showing me how it's done. Appreciate you, man. Let's take it for a quick spin. I'm going to take the 360 here and show it to you while I'm riding the bike. That looks really, really cool. Let me know down in the comments below what you think. Do me a favor, if you like this kind of content, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content like this one. Thanks for watching.